Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rada. I hope you are doing well in this holiday season. I am so excited. I can't believe it's mid-December already and next month's gonna be a new year. It's gonna be a good year for us, and yeah, today's video, as you guys probably see from the title, I am going to unbox and review the Louis Vuitton Madeleine, and I am so excited. I just haven't had a designer bag for such a long time, and I am just so excited to do an unboxing and review with this with you guys. I know you guys excited as well, so yeah, we are going to do it together. I don't see a lot of people talk about this bag, and I know it is new, so I think this is a great opportunity for me to share this bag with you guys, and so you have an ideas what fits inside, how I style it and everything. So yeah, I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and yeah, let's get started. As you know, it's holiday season, so the packaging comes a little bit different. It is so elegant packaging. I love it. The bag itself, I got so excited for some reason, but I just adore it. It's just so cute, and the bag is in this box. I honestly checked the bag already with the SA because I just want to make sure everything is alright, and yeah, so I checked the bag. I ordered this bag online and just chose to pick up in store just because it's more convenient for me, but again, they usually ship within 3 to 4 days, so it is pretty fast shipping. So yeah, I am really have a good impressions with their websites and the process and everything. So just want to say that I already opened and everything, but again, I just still want to open this up with you guys. I know you girl like the unboxing, so they also gave me this bow tie, which I found is really cute. And then again, it's just the receipt and return policy. I believe I haven't looked it up yet. Just a receipt and the return, like a label. If I decide to return, which I don't believe so, I would just go in store and return it. But yeah, they give some label and some receipts here in this card. So, and the bag is here. As you can see, it's obviously a small bag. And here she is. So pretty. She is so gorgeous. She's pretty. I love it. This is a Madeleine in size nano in a black empreinte leather. Madeleine comes in 3 different sizes. This is a nano, there is BB and MM. And I feel like this nano is the most perfect size for me, and this bag just reminds me a lot of the Chanel flap handbag, which I am obsessed, and I love a little handle that I can hold this as a top handle, and it comes with the cutest strap that I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. But yeah, this is the feature of the bag. In the front, this is the S-lock closure that easily open, and in the back it's just like that, no hidden pocket or anything. And in the bottom and on the sides, inside the bag, it has one big compartment with the 3 card slots, and the interior is microfiber lining. And yeah, and the bag smells so good. I don't know if you guys are the same, but I love to smell the bag smell. It is just so, it's just my obsession. There is a little details right here, which is LV logo. And here at the closure, it says Louis Vuitton, and the inside it shows right here Louis Vuitton made in France, which I am happy that is made in original country. And the hardware is gold. I love the gold because I have a lot of gold jewelries and this gonna match my jewelry so well. I love it, especially the black and the gold. It's just so beautiful. I feel like it just giving an elegant look, very demure, very classy. And to be honest, if you are looking for a perfect timeless piece, I feel like this is the one. Madeleine Nano come with the chain strap. It is super cute and I can see it's gonna fit me perfectly because I am petite, I am 5'3", and I believe this is gonna be perfect length for me. And what I really like about it is just the charm, like the LV logo and this little charm. It's just so cute. Another fun thing, you can detach this chain and have this little, like, I don't know if it's like a charm or it's still kind of like top handle like chain or something, but it is super cute. If you want to add some fun, you can add this chain right here. Hold on one second. And then hook in the different size and you got this cutie charm. I love it. I'm obsessed, guys. Let me take this out. It's still in the plastic bag. So cute. I love it. Wanna use this as a crossbody, you're gonna attach this lobster. I will leave a little like hanging charm so that it looks kind of cute. Then I will just attach it with the bag. So here you get a crossbody bag. I love it. I love a little details like on the chains. I feel like it's giving something. It's just so cute. I'm pretty sure BB and MM comes with a bigger handle, but this Nano comes with such a small, like tiny handle. Luckily that I have a small wrist that I can put my hand in and use it like a top handle, but that might be something that you would consider about it. Before I show you what fit inside, I also wanna do a little bit of unboxing of my KeyPouch. I had this a while ago, but I haven't had a chance to film the video, shows you what I got. So I think it's a great time to do this unboxing. So this KeyPouch I had an eye on for such a long time. I had been looking for it for like so many years, but it's just back in stock. So I am so happy that I am able to, you know, like order it and see it in person and use it. But again, I haven't used it yet. But this is a KeyPouch. I think this is like the cutest KeyPouch I've ever owned. This is also with the gold hardware and the insides is just like that. I have my 14 Pro Max and sit in there. As you can see, there are still some rooms that you can fit your essentials. And so I have my YSL wallet. This is like my main wallet and it's huge. We're gonna try to put this wallet inside and it looks like it's full. I think I still have room for like lipstick, you know, like my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and that's go there. So yeah, I'm able to fit my wallet, my phone, and the lipstick. What about these hairbrush? Let's see. Okay, so it closed properly. So yeah, it looks like that. Looks pretty structured. Not gonna lie, it's get a little bit heavier, but yeah, it fits off my essentials. Now I will show you without the YSL envelope wallet what can fit. And here's my key pouch. I usually put these crabs inside because I don't use it with the key because I just don't want it to scratch with the hardware. So I just leave it inside and I just press it in. So now we have more rooms to add more essentials, and what I'm gonna add is the lipstick. My car key. My setting powder. My hairbrush. And one last thing, I got the lip balm from Summer Fridays, and we're just gonna put that on top. I love that. It's actually fits a lot of, you know, like my essentials, like everyday essentials, and it closed perfectly. And you know, sometimes you can add some more because I don't usually put my phone inside the bag. So here is the inside without the phone, and you still have more room to, you know, like add on something else. Okay, you got an idea what fit inside. Now I'm gonna show you ways to wear this bag. Overall guys, I love this bag. This is such a cutest bag I've ever had. Not gonna lie, I enjoying it a lot. It's gonna be a perfect bag for formal / casual occasion for me. I am excited to use this bag. What do you guys think about this bag? I really want your opinions, and yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions or concerns. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find this video helpful. If you like this kind of video, please give me a like, subscribe, and that's gonna help me a lot. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!